Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JSON Server fake REST API. So it would be the third episode of this tutorial. So today we are going to learn about the basic CRUD operations get request. Okay, so this is my get request basically. So if I just hit this one via command line also, so I will get the response. Just go over here and let's try to run. You can see the list coming over. This is the fake REST API which we have added into our db.json file, and you can see that this is that one. You can add anything over here, it will reflect back over here, right? So this is that one. If you use it as an API part, you can also use that one. So if I go and just use this endpoint, okay, in the postman, okay, and here you can see that the array of object with the status and the time. Okay, so this is how we are able to use the get request for the fake REST API JSON server. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.